Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the existing phone number already used error on Discord. Let's begin. If it says that the phone number you're trying to verify is already connected to another Discord account, the first thing you want to do, tap on the gear icon to open user settings. Next, go to phone number. What you'll need to do is log into the account where this phone number is already in use. You can remove the original phone number from that account and then try again. To switch accounts, tap your profile at the bottom and select Switch Accounts. You'll see the currently logged in account marked with a check mark. If you have another account, just tap it to log in. If the account isn't listed there, go back to Switch Accounts and select Manage Accounts. This shows you all accounts logged in on the device. And from here, you can log in to the correct account. Once you're in the right account, go to the Settings tab and either change the phone number or remove it entirely. Now that the number is no longer linked, you can go back to your new Discord account and enter the phone number without any issues. That's it. Now you know how to fix the existing phone number already used problem on Discord. Thanks for watching.